my God, take pictures,
Come on, jump. Jump, jump. Come on, jump. Jump. Yay! Ah, I got you. Ah. Woohoo!
Oh, there comes another one.
You want to try calling these dolphins in, try whistling to them. Dolphins communicate by whistling, and underwater these guys can hear each other up to 30 miles away. It's not a stretch for them to hear you.
Who's gonna jump off to the side? Darn it! Damn!
He's trying to say there's a whale right over there. What are you doing?
Oh, this is so cool.
Wow. You're not going to be able to see that in the pond.
Wow. Look, they're everywhere.
All right.
Whoa!
I know.
You're on the right side.
Right.
A couple of inches. Yeah, you can see them. They're still deep. They're right there.
Yeah, they go very deep.
Wow. Oh, that was a baby.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Little one.
Wow.
Ha ha!
So cool. We're going to come up right there.
How many kids do we have right now that have not been down the pond?
They're just keeping pace.
Look at this little guy. You get down the pond.
This is so pretty.
Well, that's what I like to hear.
I'm just seeing him. Stay down there.
Oh my God. Oh, can
Some
you hear
story.
that? Cool.
Yeah, yes.
You hear the really high pitch? Oh, hey, it's like hey, but you see, he turned.
Uh-oh, we got a jumper.
Yeah, look, they turned.
These guys eat small fish.
Yay!
Their favorite food, and pretty much the only thing they're really interested in out here is squid. If we see bottlenose dolphins, not the ones you see on shore.
Woohoo!
These guys feed almost exclusively on squid, and we know there's squid here in every single one. Here we go. We're going to get back into it.
Oh my God, this is look, he came to like hang out. This is so cool.
He's regrouping.
Oh my God! Hi guys! Oh, look, it's a baby.
Where's the baby?
Cute.
Where?
Oh my God! Oh look! Dad, this is so crazy. He's upside down. Oh.
Yeah.
All right, any other kids that have not been down the pod?
Oh, the kids
You gonna jump? You look like you're gearing up for a jump. That wasn't much.
Even if they're not male photos?
Hashtag your photos.
Oh man, I heard that. I heard that. Wow, Wow! 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 Oh my God! Oh my God! Wow! Yike! Oh! The best! Wardrobe change here. Oh my God.
A week ago, actually. And
I better.
Bottlenose dolphin right before dark. And after we pulled up into the pond of dolphin, we realized, I think it was Scott actually first saw it, the dolphin were catching yellowtail and actually grabbing yellowtails in the water and coming up to the surface with them.
Wow, that jumper. I have never seen one do as good as that. Ever. Ever. Over and over again, such high.
We got a little extra time.
Toe to tail. Oh.
With these bottlenose here.
Wow.
If you want to check out the underwater pod.
Wow. I'm gonna have to erase some of my audio from that, but.
Harder to see these guys underwater.
Are you filming?